Go ahead, no hitting, slide.
That was really random. I'm put Playground Jackass with Jessica, Sabrice, Steven, Kaylin, some random boy that I have never seen before. That's like the coolest shirt you've ever seen. That's an awesome shirt. And look at Ariel, so pretty and mermaid-like.
I'm just leading it.
And me! Oh my gosh! The most beautiful woman in the earth. Shut up. Oh my gosh! What if he falls?
Hi.
Hello!
Just get out before you hurt yourself. I don't. Yeah, you will. And then you're going to probably hurt yourself.
Why are you wearing jogging shoes?
She is wearing jogging shorts.
Go jogging. Type of shorts for jogging.
Come on, then. Go jog. Go. Fist it.